Nathan had loved farming, Nathan loves animals, Nathan loves taking care of animals. And so when the opportunity came to farm, we thought this is a lifestyle we want for our children.
I think both of our characters are somewhat indecisive, but this farming venture we had a lot of peace about, and we're just really excited about doing.
Coordinating a farm, coordinating our kids and our 2 jobs.
Let's be honest.
Let's be honest, sometimes it's a bit chaotic. Did we always know we wanted to have 6 kids? I'd say the answer is no. But we knew, I would say when we were dating, we thought, yeah, we wanted to have 4 kids. Then we had 4 and we're like, oh, we love
We're missing
kids.
somebody.
We're missing somebody. And then we had little Georgia. And after we had Georgia, we thought, man, I don't know, are we still missing somebody? So 4 years after Georgia, then little Brooke came along, and yeah, we're so thankful for her. I think our family's complete now.
Yeah, I think so. Typically on a Saturday morning when I get the opportunity to sleep in an extra hour and wait for the kids, it's sometimes difficult to take all of them at once, but we definitely take them all. It's been a great experience. Learning how to care for the birds, being gentle, what to watch for, the feed and the water, the air quality. Yeah, the kids are picking up on that so fast. The animal care program in Canada is fantastic. Number one, I think it unifies all of us Canadian producers under the same standard. It makes us very purposeful. We're audited by a third-party auditor, and with that, we have a consistent management practice throughout the producer group. There's about 2,800 producers in Canada, and we're privileged to be one of them. It's all very recorded and regulated, and it's just become the way of life for us, and we enjoy it, and it gives us confidence in what we do.
I think the chicken that we raise is healthy, and the animals are so well taken care of. It is an excellent source of protein for our family.
We've got a lot of friends and family that do the same thing. They farm, have an off-farm job, and so they are encouraging to us, and hopefully we are to them as we continue on this journey as a family. It is very busy, but we enjoy it. Not everybody can be involved at everything at the same time. So this last year, the boys are doing hockey and the girls are doing softball in summer, and that's just a good trade-off. They both enjoy it, but they also know and learn to give and take, that maybe now's not their turn, and next season it will be their turn. And so that's really good as a life lesson for them as well. It's not all about me, it's about a family, and we do this all together. Our society is all about self,
right.
And we're actually trying to teach our kids that's not what it's all about. It's about other people, community. That's working out well for us so far.
When we can provide chicken for others and we can say, hey man, our chickens can go to other Canadians and we can provide for them, the joy and the self-esteem that provides for our kids and our family is incredible.
Yeah.